Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So, here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter, or things you probably don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm just going to straight up tell you the best VPNs for North Macedonia right now. Plus, a few things about each one that actually matter, so you can pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my whole research doc completely free and read it whenever you want, no joke. Alright, let's get into it. Top 3 VPN services for North Macedonia and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for North Macedonia. Why? First, it works seamlessly there, which is crucial for reliable access. Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds. Features? It's got the most out of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Cheap for what it offers, and support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives? A 10-device limit. Second best VPN for North Macedonia is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low latency throughout North Macedonia. No hiccups, no packet loss, just smooth browsing and streaming. Features? All the essentials and a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great to route only certain apps through the VPN or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best value for money VPNs out there. Often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support's fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? The best tech available, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can worry privacy fans. Also, the server network is smaller than others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want smooth and stable connections in North Macedonia, with great value. Third best VPN for North Macedonia is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near North Macedonia or anywhere else. Features? Packed. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is pretty good and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope, their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, and it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget, but still want a massive network and advanced features for North Macedonia. And that's it, my top 3 picks for North Macedonia. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on the colors or logos alone, you'll be just fine. They all work perfectly in North Macedonia. Quick recap before we wrap up, in case you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for North Macedonia. A premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you incredible value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a massive server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.